what is a general accepted principle or a best business practice with respect to doing your monthly or annual accounting?
Yeah, you want to know the numbers monthly. So at the end of the month, so this is on my client advisory side of my business, I'll sit down with the business owner, look at the numbers, and I'll produce 5 numbers for them so they don't have to look at all the financial statements. But I say they need to know 5 numbers. Usually in every service-based business, because that's what you guys are operating, there is direct labor, there is direct materials, there are overhead wages. So if you have someone in the office that is running the phones, you want to know that number. So if you pay yourself, how much did you pay yourself? How much did you pay your managers? People that are not directly tied to a job. So you want to know vehicle costs. What are your vehicle costs every month? Did you spend more than the benchmarks? So that's the value-added services that I provide is I know the benchmarks in your industry for how much things should cost. And so if you could, and marketing expenses is the last one. So if you're spending less, I don't know if you know this, but if you're spending only 5% of your revenue on marketing, you're not growing your business.
Ooh, that's an interesting tip. Tell us more about that.
If you're just wanting to grow a company, you need to spend at least 5 to 10% on marketing. So that is the growth stage, right? So if you're doing 500 grand a year in revenue, spend 50 grand a month on marketing, you're going to gain market share. You're going to outspend your competition, right? Because most of them don't know that number. So if you just know the number, you run your business by the numbers, by the margins, actually the percentages, you'll succeed because your competitors probably don't know those.
You said 50,000 a month. If you're making 500,000.
Oh, sorry, a year.
Okay, I get it. That makes more sense.
Yeah, for 50 grand, it's gonna blow up. But
yeah, because I think one of the big aha moments for me was when I realized I'm no longer a painter, but a business, running a painting business. And you're actually not a painting business, you're a marketing company. Then the day you and a JB Funk, you're a marketing company. And if you make cakes or make cookies, or if you're a lawyer or if you're a truck driver, you're actually a marketing company. That's all you are, is marketing, really.
Yeah.
So I appreciate that little tip about putting some money into your marketing.
Less than 5%, you're shrinking. So it's like, do you want to shrink? Maybe you want that. I don't know.
Well, I think for a lot of small business painters, word of mouth and referral business is generally how they drive their business. And they get to a point where they find that happy medium of how many referrals and how much output they can bring. So I guess if you're not looking to expand your business, you don't need to spend any more than 5%. Would that be a good statement?
Yeah, exactly. That's the status quo.
One thing I've learned is that with marketing, it's not one thing you do, it's the multiple avenues that you do that actually compound on that. So
watch the full interview on YouTube, like and share it on social media, and join the Academy, a trusted house painter, and grow your painting business.